Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to show you one of the best smartphone holders for your car, and it's this model here from Samsung. I'm using it for quite a while now, but the old model which I bought I think 5 years ago is not working anymore, so I decided to buy a new one. As you can see, this is a sealed box, so it's a brand new one. And I decided to show it to you because, as I told you, I was very happy with the old product. It's one of the best smartphone holders I've used in previous years, and I also happy that I decided to buy this model again. This is how the box looks like. So we have a picture with the product on the front of the box. It's made by Samsung, so it's an original product. I have to tell you that I paid for this product around 20 euro, so it's not very expensive. I know that you can find cheaper products, but trust me, you don't have the same quality. On this part of the box there is nothing. This is the top of the box, and we have some information here on the back of the box. So basically it works with smartphones between 6.7 centimeters and 8 centimeters in width. And from what I can tell you, I'm using this current dock that I have with my Samsung Galaxy S21, which is quite a big phone, S21 Ultra, and it's working quite well. So it can handle even the biggest smartphones in the market. And here we can see that is the model EEV200. Okay, enough with the box. Let's jump inside the box. Let's cut these seals here, one here and one here. And let's see what we have inside the box. This is what we have inside the box. The box is empty. I will put it aside. So inside the box we have a quick start guide, and it shows you in many languages how to install it, but I know how to install it because I have another one. As you can see, the packaging looks very nice, very premium. So even the box, it's very premium. So this is the leg of the holder, and is the part with the suction cup. So basically here you have the suction cup and you have this button here, but I'll show you how to mount it on a glass. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it comes with this plastic wrap, not to be scratched, and the materials are premium, very nice. The finish, it's good, and it's a matte plastic, so it's not prone to fingerprints. So this is the leg, I would say. Here in this little bag we have another part of the leg which will connect the leg to the main part. I'll leave it like this. Here we have the holder, and this is how the holder looks like. And as you can see, it comes also in some plastic wraps. So as I told you, the quality is premium. Here on the back of the holder we have the release button. Okay, and here we have the model. It's EEV200. It's made in China. Okay, and here we have a support with some 3M glue on it. So basically, if you don't want to put this on the windshield, okay, you can mount this support on your dashboard. So you take out this 3M cover here, you put it on your dashboard, and then you just stick the holder to this plastic piece here, and you'll have it on your dashboard instead of your windscreen. So I will have a deeper look at the product now, and I will show you how to mount it. So basically, let me take off the plastic wraps. So it comes with a lot of plastic wraps to protect the device from scratching. This is how the holder looks like. Here we have rubber, premium rubber. We have the Samsung logo. Here on the hands we also have rubber, quality rubber. And here on the legs we also have quality rubber. And this is where the holder will connect with the leg. Let me take off the rope from the leg also. Okay, this is how it looks like. So this is the suction cup here, and basically when you put it on the windscreen, if you press this button to lock it, you see now this is what happens. So basically it creates suction. See again. Okay, in order to install it, you need to put this little piece here like this, and to connect it here, and then what you need to do is to screw this little screw here. And be careful how what force you apply on this, okay, because then it will not allow you to move it freely. So first find the position you want to keep the holder in, and then apply a little bit more force to tighten it. And as you can see now it doesn't move. If you want to move it, just unscrew a little bit this part here and it will move as you want. And basically this is how the product looks like when it's mounted. So if you put it on the windscreen like this, you can have it in this position, you can have it in this position, or in this position. You can put it in any position you want, and it's very, very sturdy. It doesn't move, it's very strong. The phone will stay in place without any vibrations. I like the product. And I will put a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus on it to show you how it works. So basically you just press this button here to open these little hands, I'll call them. You put it like this and you press the hands, and now as you see the phone stays in place. And I told you, when you put it on the windshield, it will not vibrate, it will not move, because it's very, very durable and it's very good. And if you want to release the smartphone, you just need to press this button here. The hands opens, you take the smartphone out and you close it, and this is it. Let me show you how to put it on your windscreen. I don't have my car with me now here, but I will show it on a window. So let's assume that this is the windscreen, it's a window. Basically what you need to do is to place this suction cup here on the windscreen. Make sure that this button is not pressed, okay? So you fix it like this, okay? And what you need to do after you fix it like this, you need to push this button. So you fix it on the windscreen, you push the button, and now the dock is in place, and you can play with the support to put it in any position you want. And after you find the ideal position, remember to screw the little screw on the back to tighten it, and then it will not move, it will stay in place very well. And in order to release it, you just need to pull out the button, okay, and then you just take the suction cup from the windscreen by pulling this little piece of rubber here like this. It's very easy. Guys, this is the product. I like it, it's a good quality. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching.